What if I told you that some of the foods sitting right inside your kitchen, the ones you probably eat without a second thought, are slowly draining the strength out of your bones after you cross 60? Foods that seem so normal, so harmless, but are secretly working against your body's ability to stay strong, active, and independent. And the scariest part is most seniors in America keep eating them every single day, thinking they are doing no harm, when in reality those foods are quietly robbing calcium, blocking vitamin absorption, and leaving bones weak, brittle, and more likely to break from even a small fall. So let's talk about this honestly and in plain language, because after 60, your bones aren't just bones anymore. They are the foundation of your freedom, your balance, your ability to walk, to carry groceries, to hug your grandkids. And the truth is, what you ate now decides whether those years ahead will be filled with energy or pain. And I know it's not easy to change habits after decades of living a certain way, but trust me when I say, just cutting out certain hidden foods can make all the difference. And it starts with the most sneaky culprit of all: processed deli meats. Yes, those slices of ham, bacon, sausages, and hot dogs that are loaded with sodium and preservatives. They taste good, they're convenient, but they slowly pull calcium out of your bones, leaving them weaker with every bite. And if that wasn't enough, think about sugary sodas. Not just the regular Coke or Pepsi, but even diet versions, because that fizzy sweetness contains phosphoric acid that strips bone minerals away sip by sip. And it's scary because soda feels so harmless. It's just a drink, right? But over time, it eats away your bone density until one day, a simple stumble turns into a fracture. And then we have fried snacks, chips, onion rings, fried chicken, all those greasy foods you grab for comfort. And I get it, they're tasty and cheap. But the oils they're fried in create inflammation that slows down your bone's ability to repair itself. So even a small crack or a strain heals slower. And here's another silent thief: coffee. Now I know many seniors love starting their day with coffee, maybe 2 or 3 cups. But too much caffeine actually pushes calcium out through your urine. So while your body needs that mineral to stay upright and strong, it just slips away without you even noticing. And then there are canned soups. Yes, the ones that seem easy, quick, and even healthy because they have vegetables. But look closer and you'll see hidden salt bombs inside that soup can. And high sodium is a real enemy of bone health. It works quietly but consistently to weaken them. Then let's talk about refined white bread, muffins, and pastries. They spike your blood sugar so fast your body ends up blocking nutrient absorption, meaning that even if you're taking calcium or vitamin D supplements, your body can't use them fully. And on top of that, margarine and hydrogenated oils that many people think are healthier than butter actually kill off vitamin K, which your bones need to rebuild themselves. So those spreads on your toast every morning could be silently sabotaging your skeleton. And let's not forget alcohol, because while a glass of wine now and then may seem harmless, regular drinking weakens balance, slows down vitamin D activity, and directly lowers bone density. And you know what makes it worse? Mixing alcohol with poor diet means double the damage. Then there are packaged desserts, cakes, cookies, donuts. They coat your body with sugar. Yes, but worse. Sugar breaks down collagen, the very protein that keeps your bones flexible and less likely to snap. And here comes the biggest shock for many seniors. Some healthy greens, like spinach, beet greens, and even Swiss chard, are overloaded with oxalates, compounds that bind to calcium and stop your body from absorbing it, meaning You can be eating calcium-rich foods, but never actually benefit from them. So even though these greens look healthy on the surface, too much of them can hurt bone health after 60. And the point here is not to scare you, but to open your eyes. Because nobody tells seniors this in a straight way. The advice online is too general, too copy-paste, but you deserve real knowledge. Knowledge that gives you control. Because every bite you take after 60 is either protecting your independence or pushing you closer to weakness. And let's be real, nobody wants to spend their golden years in a hospital bed or depending on a cane, when all it takes is a few smart food choices. So if you truly want to stay strong, walk without fear, dance with your partner, play with your grandchildren, and climb those stairs without thinking twice, the best time to start protecting your bones is right now. Today, not next week, not after the next holiday, because your future strength depends on the decisions you make this very moment. And if you cut out these hidden, bone-damaging foods, you'll be giving yourself the greatest gift possible: freedom, energy, and unshakable strength that carries you proudly through your golden years.